it every 30 seconds. Let it sit for a little bit. Really watch to see what's going to happen. You can use artificial. You can use live shrimp. Right now we got 3-inch gulp shrimp on there. See if we can get something to hook up. Make sure you keep that tension tight. You don't want to have the slack too loose, so if something comes and bites it, you're fumbling, they're going to get off the hook. It's an easy loss. Lost quite a few that way. Close to the flat. This is all flat right there. You want to bring it back in, try and cast it again. It's not one of those things where you just cast and let it sit. You want to work that one. Use it as a tool. Make that cork work. Let the cork work for you. Bring it in, try it again. Especially if you're working with your tides, you want to start up high and let it naturally drift down while you're working it. And if this isn't working, you try 4 or 5 casts, keep on moving. Look for more action on the water, look for bait fish, look for birds. And look to see where those fish are right now.